Hi guys, Ricky Clark. Yeah, sorry about that, there's a different intro compared to normal. Yeah, it is. Anyway, talking about trains, I saw a train from a movie, well, we all saw a train from a movie. Yeah, I did. Anyway, so, if any of you guys are a big Harry Potter fan, you might actually like this comment today, because we saw the Hogwarts Express today. What's the real name of it?
Galaxy 45699.
Yeah, and if you also want to subscribe... Hey, he is a nutcracker. Anyway, if you want to subscribe to the Train King, he's the Train King, because he knows everything about him. But, if you want to do a shout out, if you want to, go ahead.
Right, so I have the king.
Shut the fuck up, I'm going to slap you.
Right, so I have two channels. One is, well, it's basically my name, which is Matthew. But the one I'm using now has 23 videos and 10 subscribers.
So if you guys would like, can you please subscribe to this guy here? He's a fucking legend and he's also a friend. And if any of you guys are also we can't really chat shit because we're all the same person. Anyway, so if any of you live in Bicester, that is awesome. I will fucking like you for a living. Not that way. That's what I thought I said too. Not that way, don't take it, the bad one. Anyway, so... Fuck! Shit. Anyway, so if any of you guys live in Bicester, or anywhere, there's a air show happening on. You're a dead man walking.
Sorry, I can't even help myself.
You bastard! Anyway, so if you guys, if you do want to subscribe, you can. Anyway, so there's an air show happening. Shut up. There's an air show happening at RF Bicester. So any of you guys live in Bicester, so Bicester Heritage, there's an air show happening on the 8th and 7th of June. Sorry about that. My brother's in the gangster. So on the 8th and 7th and 8th of June, sorry, there's an air show at Bicester Fireworks. So if you guys would like to go to that, I don't have the tickets, but like it'd be awesome if you guys could meet up there with me and these guys here. Like Matthew and my brother Sam. If you haven't noticed, we are actually twins. Get your ass in the view, man. So, with that, let me do a quick sneak peek of the train we saw today. If you can see that, I'm sorry.
Yes.
But so, we saw that today. I will put that video of my very own video of that in the very end of the vlog. Oh yeah, and probably yeah, I might also add his footage of the train going by today. So about my baggy eyes haven't got to go any sleep before. But yeah, so if you guys would like to do that. Yo, Sam, do you also want to do a shout for your channel?
Yeah, why not?
So, this is my brother Sam.
Hey guys. What my brother just said, that is my name.
Fuck me, running. Anyway, come
I
on.
don't trust that guy.
Come on, fucking do it.
My name is, my YouTube name is Benlol13. You guys subscribe to me.
Fucking trees.
Right now,
Shit, like it. Anyway, so if you would also like to subscribe to this guy here, that'd be amazing. So there is going to be a new channel just for gaming. Like we said, general fucking about. Well, not like we said, sorry. No, generally fucking about. So what we're going to do is vlogging like this, do stupid random shit. Like my brother's got a GoPro, so that's amazing to have in this household.
But the important thing is we need
Yeah, we don't really need a drone. You can buy a drone and the camera will get it.
But the one for the whole GoPro, that's much more better.
Yeah, we can do a first one there. But anyway, for now, if you guys would like to subscribe to this dickhead and this legend right here, and also me, if that's alright. So can we please hit 5 likes? 5 likes, that's what I'm only asking. 5 goddamn likes. And what? Or hit 10, that'd be amazing. Hit 10 likes, that'd be sick as hell. Should we just say 15 likes? Probably 15, who knows? Okay, 10 likes. 720. No, mate, you mean 420. Get your facts right. Anyway, so 5 likes or 10 likes. So what? Fuck it. 10 likes. 10 likes. Okay, we're going up by 5. My last video has only got 3 likes for now, but I would like it if we can get 5 likes on that video and also this video. And I would also do a shout. If you guys do comment your channel's name, I will do a shout out for you guys. If you guys want me to, it'll be okay. Yes, it's on, should we go to that dirt track again? Sweet. So yeah, we're going off the 3 corners, so I'll see you in a couple of minutes then, because that's going to take us that long. So see you then. So yeah, 5 likes. No, 10 likes, sorry, 10 likes. So 10 likes if that's alright. So see you in a couple of minutes. Bye for now, in 10 minutes time. Well, 10 minutes time. Sorry, Okay, 10 minutes time, I was right then, shit. Anyway, so see you in 10 minutes.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through? Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light